Hi, this is Jocelyn with Just Accounting again. Today, what rolled out was a self-employment unemployment application, pre-application for the self-employed of Hawaii. So I'm going to share my screen and walk you through that a little bit. So you can either Google Hawaii unemployment like this, and then choose the unemployment insurance here, and you'll see it's kind of been moving around over the last 24 hours. It used to be up here, now it's kind of down here. So wherever it will be, you'll find it. But basically, here's the initial claim form. So if you have a company and you're self-employed and you don't run a payroll and you don't run anything through the unemployment process, you'll know if you do, because you pay unemployment, you pay TDI, possibly workman's comp, 940s, 941s. If those are ringing a bell for you, you don't file this. You'll file this. You file a regular claim online if you've been paying into the unemployment system. If you haven't been, this is, excuse me, the initial form for the uninsured. Now, I have had people say they've gone to that and it will tell them it won't work. They're changing it, so this looks a little bit different than I did this morning. So I went here to do this unemployment thing, and this is kind of where you want to be, this puahawaii.gov. So the other ones are kind of for the initial application. So that first one where it says file the initial application, you might not want to go there first. Go here. Here's what you need to apply for pandemic unemployment assistance benefits, all of this information. So then you go here and you agree, read that thoroughly, I'm sure, and agree, read that and agree. Then it's going to come and ask you what qualifies you for this COVID-19 unemployment. So you are going to click whichever one of these things it applies to you, right? So this one is for most of these people, probably most of you who are watching self-employed independent contractor, has severely limited my ability to perform my normal work. Or you don't have a history. This entails a lot of different people. So were you affected? Yes. Okay. So then you're going to go to next. Oh dear, there's a problem. What was the date you were first impacted? So then you got to tell them when it first started getting sour for you. So let's say 4/10/2020, or if it was March or whatever date that is, you put that in. Do you reside in Hawaii? Do you work for the military? Yes or no? Do you earn more than Did you earn more than 130 of unemployment income from an employer who took taxes out? So this is going to affect you. It's kind of going to filter you out and then put you all in different kind of situations. So if you had a W-2, I don't know why they don't ask, did you have a W-2? So if you had a W-2, you're going to say yes. If you didn't, you say no. Are you getting full-time pay from your work employer or union? So that's also a W-2. So no. Are you able to work from home? Yes or no. So each of these will filter you into a different decision category for this pandemic. So think about the question for your situation, apply intelligence and answer the question. Are you eligible for other regular unemployment benefits? If you are eligible for other regular unemployment benefits, you will not qualify for this. Did you work in another state? No. No. Did you file a claim for unemployment? No. So let's just say what happens here. So voluntary disclosure, you don't have to do any of that. Voluntary income, this is where you're going to, so this is new for everyone, including the state. So, but try your best to put down the right information. It'll help your case in general. This is for self-employment income, use your income after deductions. This is line C of your Schedule C of the 1040. Probably means you're going to have to file a tax return. I can help you with that, but you will have to file your 19 tax return probably to apply, because you have to have that net income. So let's say your total income was, I don't know, 21,000, right? Total income. And other, were you able to work? No, let's say no, considered. Must be available to work. Do you have any? Let's say no, I don't know. Then you have to certify that all these things are correct. They're probably going to check your tax return anyway, so you might as well put the right number. Then you're going to go into all of your personal data. And I have not gone through all of this, but at the end, I've heard people say they will tell you you're not basically your money's didn't, you still have to fit certain criteria. It's not just going to be a free-for-all. And this is just the pre-application. So then they start processing it May 15th. So once you fill out all this information, they may or may not give you a decision right there. I wouldn't necessarily take that as a complete no, but maybe you may have answered something that bumped you out. So that's the pandemic unemployment. If that didn't answer my questions, shoot me an email, Jocelyn@justaccountinginc.com. Have a great day.